Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Chaffles for Life, episode number 83. Today on Chaffles for Life, we're going to make spicy jalapeno cheddar chaffles. Not usually my run-of-the-mill chaffle recipe that I usually make because I'm not a fan of jalapeno, but for the sake of the video and for just trying something different, I really kind of like these. I ended up getting the mild jalapeno peppers, and I got the ones in a jar. And what I did with the peppers, I put them on a small plate, maybe about 3 or 4 of them, and I chopped them all up with a sharp knife, and then I added them into the mix. So what you'll need for this is 2 eggs, 16 small jalapeno peppers, and if it's fresh, try not to be careful with the seeds because it'll be very hot. But I ended up getting the mild ones out of that particular brand jar. And then I took about 1.5 cups of chopped cheddar cheese, and then I ended up mixing everything all up together. And this yielded 3 Chaffles, and these are the peppers that I chopped up. And so I just, like I said, I was just eyeballing them. I mean, you want more, you want less. If you want less, add more. And then again, on the Chaffles, when they came out of the Chaffle off of the mini dash, they were like a bready texture. And again, if you like like a really crunchy one, I would suggest adding a little more cheese at the top of each on your mold before you close your lid there, and those come out nice and really nice and crispy. But these are really good. And then I ended up putting them on a cooling rack, and what I ended up doing with those is I had a couple of chicken patties there for dinner, and I had one a chicken patty sandwich. And these these make great burger sandwiches, or even you can take a couple of piece of kielbasa or something like that, cut the kielbasa in half, and just have a nice sandwich that way. But very low calorie on this, and I really enjoyed it. And I got this recipe idea from Amy DeLauer, and I got her link below to show more. And she hasn't got a YouTube channel as far as I know, but I know she does sell at least one book with Chaffle recipes, and this is the one I picked out of her book. And the many other ones that I've got up on my channel already. But these are the Chaffle recipe videos. They're moving along really well. I did have a request for me to do the voiceovers because people have, they like to follow along with a voice. And I cut down the doing voiceover because the apartment noise is crazy here at times. And I just putting it over the timeline with music and, editing out the video. What going on here right now with the spoon is I'm trying to get it evenly divided and fill up each little cavity so there's no holes in the Chaffle. And you could see all the nice little bits of jalapeno pepper that I had in there. And again, if you want more, just add some right over the top. Either method would work. And then I got this little small little spatula at the Marshalls, and you can pick these up almost really anywhere. And then I just have to be really careful because it was really hot. And again, I was putting it on the cooling rack, and then I just poured the rest of the mixture on there. I probably could have gotten 4 out of here, but I some issues going on with my wife, so keep her in her prayers for me, guys. And I had her kind of kill the video after the 3rd one, and this is my wife. But so I'm just going to continue on and try not to think about it so much over the course of the day, and take one day at a time, right? That's all we can really do. But I'm going to show you in the video. Oh yeah, and then the cleanup process is really simple. You just take a damp piece of paper towel and you just put it over the top, and then close the lid, and then wipe it all down on the next one, and you're good to go. And so I did just talking over the video, and really enjoy making these videos for you guys. And again, just like this, just take a paper towel, just put it over the top, and there you have our 3 Chaffles that we made. Look at how nice color they came out on those, nice and golden yellowish color. And again, we live in an apartment, so you might hear some background street noise. And look at that, how nice they ripped apart on me. They were really good. These were, she's got some other recipes. You can make these with mozzarella cheese, Swiss cheese, Colby Jack cheese. Any cheese will really work, and I'm going to try all those different recipes with different cheese textures. I plan on going down to Walmart's this week, getting some big bags of cheddar cheese and some other different kinds of cheeses that Walmart sells. And of course some non-expensive eggs. But I make Chaffles every day because we are doing Chaffles for Life every day, Monday through Friday, and then putting some on regular videos on during the weekend, and see where everything goes from here. But again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay healthy. Love you guys.